Did you know that more than 1/3 of small businesses do not have a website? In this day and age, having an online presence is essential. Not only is a website an efficient way to market your business, it works around the clock for you, 24/7. A website builds credibility. Having a professional website helps your business to stand out and look more credible than your competitors who lack an online presence or have an amateur website. Websites are convenient. Your customers can learn about your products and services, book appointments, download informative guides, and place orders at their leisure, day or night. Websites help build relationships. Your brand personality comes shining through with quality website design, informative blog posts, interesting photos, and engaging content. As you add in special offers, you can build a loyal following. A website knows no bounds, enabling you to reach a much wider audience than a brick-and-mortar store alone. An online portfolio is your opportunity to toot your own horn and show potential customers your work. Your customers love your work. Word of mouth is the most powerful form of advertising on the planet, and your website is the perfect place to share testimonials and reviews. Having a website can positively impact your bottom line in many ways, including attracting new customers, pre-selling customers, reinforcing your credibility, creating urgency, and calling visitors to take an action. Speaking of taking action, is it time for you to get a website? Building an effective website is easier and more affordable than you may think. ZADiC Easy Website Builder is a tool to build your own mobile-ready website, easily with 0 years of experience. Website hosting and an SSL website padlock is included to keep transactions on your website safe. Start your website today at www.zadic.com. Click the website's link at the top.